presents and smiles carved in gold, shaking hands while knives are sold. You preach order, seal the blame, clean your hands, deny the flame. Flags held high, blood runs low. You create the wars you never know. From a desk of polished stone, you choose who dies alone. Your throne is built on borrowed wrath, power fed by quiet death. You speak of peace, you sign the war. This ground bends to you nevermore. Fear is traded as unity, lives exchanged for vanity. Every promise framed as law, every truth reshaped to fraud. Sacred words become a chain, faith is turned into restraint. While the poor are sent to bleed, you discuss what we should need. Your throne is built on borrowed wrath, power fed by quiet death. You speak of peace, you sign the war. This ground bends to you nevermore. You never stand where bodies fall. You never hear the silence crawl. From spotless towers, strings are drawn. Your name in order, we see the wrong. Your words collapse, your symbols fail. Our dead keep stacking while you prevail. Your throne is built on borrowed wrath. History marks your hands in red. You speak of peace, you sign the war. This ground bends to you nevermore.